Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy and welcome. Hi, how are y'all doing? I'm happy that y'all are here watching this video. So today's video, if you can't tell from the title, we're going to be doing the January BoxyCharm unboxing, and I absolutely cannot believe that it's already 2019. I'm still the one writing 2018 on my dates. You know, I'll do that for the next 3 or 4 months, and then after that it is gonna be 2020. Here's 2019. Before we jump into the video, you guys please make sure to subscribe before you leave. It would absolutely mean the world to me. Also, you can follow me on all my social medias. Everything is linked down below in the description box. Also down there I leave scriptures and positive messages of the day, so if that's something that y'all would want to see, it's down there. Just open it up, give it a quick read. It's not super long, I promise. So you guys, let's unbox this BoxyCharm. Pretty sure that 98% of the world and y'all, anybody that watches these videos knows how this goes. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and explaining everything that's in the box. We get the pamphlet, and this is the Boxy and Chill. That's what they call it this month. I also got variation number 3, as it shows right there. Okay, so the one thing that I did know, like I said, that we were getting was the Tasha. So we'll go ahead and talk about Tasha first. This is a luminous dewy skin mask. It is for normal to dry skin, and it says to leave on for 15 minutes and then peel and massage the remaining serum into the skin. So since you get 2 of them, they retail for $24. They are $12 a piece. I know you can get on Sephora and order them pack of 3 or 6, I believe. You can get a variation of them. I am very excited to try these because I have 4 facial products from Tasha already. I use the moisturizer, I use the oil cleansing balm and the rice enzyme, and then I also have the radiant mask. Tasha is absolutely one of my favorite skincare lines, and I've always wanted to try this, so I'm very excited. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this is the Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette in volume 3, and it looks like this on the outside. Very fishy, mermaidy feel. Tarte always has some of the best packaging ever. So we look into it, and as you can see, there is a mirror. These are the shades. I don't know if I am going to keep this or not. It is limited edition, so I might want to keep my hands on it. If not, I have such similar colors in my collection to this right here, and it only comes with 1 matte shade, which it says is a transition shade, but for some people it's going to be too light for a transition shade. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. This retails for $36. It is vegan, crease free eyeshadow palette. So the next thing that I see is the Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick in Havana Night. This retails for $20. I'll go ahead and give y'all a quick swatch of it. It is a very pretty red. It's like a burgundy red. It says it's not supposed to run. You can use it as the liner or the lipstick, and I love the packaging on it. I mean, it does seem a little cheap, but it's actually pretty nice. So this is the color of it. Ooh, good vampy fall dark vibes. I love it. I'm excited about this. Also, I always love getting lipstick. My lipstick collection is out of this world, but who cares? New lipsticks. And again, this retails for $20. Origio Rosarco milk. I'm probably torturing that name. It is a reparative leave-in conditioner spray. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. Because of my curly hair, I use leave-in conditioner all the time to help keep my curls defined, and it smells good. Origio's products are usually pretty good. Everything that I have tried from them has been very good. I've only tried samples from them, but I've always loved and go through what they give us all the time. So this product retails for $12. It is supposed to moisturize, soften, and give you like a silky shine. My hair's a mess right now, y'all. I did it in a pretty little bun. It's actually one of the cutest buns that I've ever did, but you really can't see it on camera. And my flyaway frizzies, my hair's a mess. I probably should have used this. And last but not least, the last product that we have is a Starlux Black Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil from starlux.com. Looks like this. It is a retractable black liner. It's actually very creamy. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Let's see what this claims. So this retails for $19. It's mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusively to BoxyCharm. So this is exclusive to BoxyCharm. Pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. I'm gonna have to test this out because a lot of eye pencils claim that they last a long time and they really don't ever do. And the only one that I have found that works for me throughout the past couple years is the Marc Jacobs black liner. So I'm excited to try this. You can never have too many black eyeliners. Okay guys, so that concludes the unboxing. So before I leave, on the pamphlet it says right here, it says free gift with any purchase of $75 or more on your first order at Tasha.com while supplies last. So that's pretty awesome that they do that for you, and trust and believe you can spend $75 on Tasha in a heartbeat. You don't even have to hardly blink an eye and you have $75. I also added up all the products, and all the products that I received are $111, which is not bad at all. It's about in the price range that it usually is. But I'm very excited about this box. The one thing that I'm really not excited about was the eyeshadow palette, simply because I'm an eyeshadow hoarder and obsessor, and I have so many palettes that I can hardly keep track of all of them. But that's just my personal opinion. If y'all are excited about it, that's great. Other than that, you guys, thank you for watching this video. I know it's short and sweet, and that's really all my unboxings ever are. If y'all would like to see a try on, definitely let me know. I would love to do that for y'all. Maybe I can do a live testing the box out for you. You guys make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on all my social medias. Everything is linked down below. I am excited for the next few weeks. I have some videos that I have planned out that are, I hope, do very well. If not, at least you will love them. I know my people love me, and I love y'all. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all have a very, very blessed weekend. Stay safe, be blessed, and go share that kindness that you have in your heart. You guys, bye y'all. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, Starbucks. This isn't a very good start. So that's pretty awesome. Also, I added all of the